Hello and welcome to this channel. In the last video we have seen a brief introduction of Arduino. We have also seen that why do we need Arduino board. In this video we'll talk about Arduino IDE and compiler. But before we start, let's first understand what is source code. This is a source code, and a source code is a human-readable version of the program. And what is a program? A program is a set of instructions that the computer executes to perform tasks. And task could be anything like printing a document, using printer, or even playing a music. For every task we required a software program. And the software application required to write this program is called IDE. In short, IDE is a text editor like Notepad, with some smart and intelligent features where we write our code. Smart and intelligent features help in works like code editing, navigation, debugging, compiling, etc., which we will explore in the coming videos of this course. In this video series we'll be using the official Arduino IDE. So this code is a human-readable code, which humans can understand but a computer or microcontroller cannot. Then what does a computer or microcontroller understand? They understand machine code, and this is a machine code which consists of binary 0 and 1. So we have written our code in a programming language. On the other hand, our microcontroller doesn't understand this code, and it understands machine code. So here we need a translator which can convert a program into machine code. And this translator is called a compiler. A compiler is a special program that processes statements written in a programming language and turns them into a machine language, which are basically zeros and ones which a computer can understand. IDE along with the compiler is a bare minimum requirement to start Arduino coding. And the good thing about this official Arduino IDE is that we don't have to install a compiler separately. The compiler comes along with this IDE. In the coming videos we will be also using VS Code, which is another IDE and provides more intelligence and features. This is how an Arduino IDE looks like, which we will install in the next video. Let's summarize this video. This IDE does two main things. First, it helps you to write codes, and second, the inbuilt compiler helps to change your source code into machine code, so that microcontroller can understand what we have written. So that's all from this video. I hope you have understood the concept of IDE and compiler clearly. And in the coming videos we will explore more about Arduino hardware and its programming. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.